Verifying your bank account on SiteGround is an essential step to ensure smooth transactions and account security. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your SiteGround account. Access your SiteGround account by visiting the website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, go to the billing section of your account dashboard. This area contains all financial settings, including payment methods and account verification options. Step 3. Select Bank Account Verification. In the billing section, look for the option labeled Bank Account Verification. Click on it to begin the verification process. This will guide you through the necessary steps to confirm your bank account. Step 4. Provide required information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Submit verification requests. After filling in the necessary information, review your entries for accuracy and then submit your verification request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. Once you complete these steps, your bank account will be verified, allowing for seamless transactions on SiteGround. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SiteGround's customer support for assistance.